Hey, Howard here from 82 Maple. And we've got all sorts of interesting things going on in this channel. Refurbished those, cleaned them up. They were way overdue. 82 Maple, going to find a maple to saw. What could be more appropriate, right? We do everything from RVs to property rehab to working with all sorts of hobby farm equipment, plus the sawmill. That's where this all started. This is where cutting boards come from. A year ago, that sawmill shed was nothing but a dream. I dug some holes, we'd poured some concrete pilings, and we were getting ready to frame it up and put a roof on it and all of that stuff. What a difference a year makes. So you know what? If you're from the RV camp, from the property rehab camp, or anything else, stay tuned. It's always a ton of fun here.
What a beautiful day.
And I hope that every video on this channel brings you some form of encouragement, inspiration, motivation, and more. Stay tuned. We're gonna make this happen here. We're actually cutting maple at 82 Maple today. Here we go. So you think you want a sawmill during the winter? Well, hey, here at 82 Maple, we just had the first snow of the season, and it fell yesterday and last night, about 6 inches total fallen snow. It's packed down a little bit, but it wasn't just the snow that was falling. You'll see some branches came off the trees over there. We're gonna have to scoop them up and get them over to the little fire pit. And wow, I picked a great day to finish doing sawmill cleanup. Last night I came in here to start getting things ready for winter, and it was just starting to lightly snow, and I got part of the shed cleaned up, got all of my wood bits and pieces organized so I can find them when I need them. I'm feeling really good about how that looks. But you know what? Despite the fact that I've got a 40-foot by 24-foot roof over the sawmill and walled in along that side, hey, the snow still blows in. So I've got my hands full today, and we're gonna get at it because I've got some beautiful maple back through here that I want to tackle within the next few days or so. So for all of you that think a sawmill shed is going to give you absolutely snow-free sawing, hey, here's living proof that it's not going to happen. Still grateful for the shed, still grateful for the lights. Those are motion sensor, and a couple of them are slow on the uptake here this morning. But you know what? It's better than being exposed to all the elements on all sides. Hey, I hope your weekend is as awesome as mine has started out to be. Let's get at this. Well, here we are. And since we last talked, I think I might have changed caps. Lots else has happened. 8 fingers, 2 thumbs, all intact. Too much fun. So, I refurbished those, cleaned them up. They were way overdue. Cleaned up the ceramics, all of that stuff. I've got to grease those wheels. I put fuel conditioner in the fuel. I put RV antifreeze in my water supply. I changed the oil. I pulled the spark plugs, checked them out. They're in great shape, but I gave them a little bit of a polish with emery cloth. I got to change the oil in that yet, but I did put the fuel conditioner in it. I ran down the tracks with some lube, lubed the tracks, lubed the chain, but I'll do that again in a few minutes. As you can see, there's some ice buildup on some of the parts of it. and we're just about ready to load a maple, which is a rare treat here at 82 Maple. And hey, you know what? Winter sawing, it's going to be a ton of fun. You're going to see a lot of stuff coming out of here. So the roof is 24 feet coverage. I put up these little Codalites. They're motion censored, so that's awesome. And inside here, I have 20 by 40. And then if we scan around, oh, I'm so proud of the work I did yesterday, racking up all of the wood and organizing it. My little tool trailer, so it's got everything I need in it, including a little bit of heat for those days that I want it. But there we go. These are all the supplies I need. Yeah, that's a little propane heater right there. I throw it onto a tank and I set the tank right about where those white buckets are, just to give me a little extra heat on those chilly days if I'm down to minus 10. And yeah, I tried a 16 by 40 and just didn't give me enough elbow room. Had that back on a previous property, and I think I've just got big elbows. So 20 by 40 inside of the posts works just great for me. Take from that what you want, and hey, let's throw a maple on here. Got cutting boards to make for Christmas. We're into November. I better hustle. absolutely glorious day to offload skis. You notice how chivalrous I am? I'm right in there pitching out and helping by taking a video.
We love you.
Well, kiddos, this is where cutting boards come from. Here you go. 82 maple, 2 thumbs 8 fingers, 2 thumbs, all intact. Too much fun.